Hello and welcome to my channel. I have here the February box from Potomac Beads, as you can see, and I really like these. They are very high quality and fun things, fun projects to do. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, so this one's called Blushing Botanicals, and there are a lot of things in the box that you can read about on the flip side here. Best bead box XL. So this is the large box. They have another one too, where, well, in which I think you have almost like half of the items that are in the large one. Okay, and there are 3 patterns in the box. This one is a bonus, so for the bonus pattern you don't get any materials, but you can, but it's a nice pattern. And then we have the 2 patterns that comes with the box. And this month we have something called a charity pendant. Looks very pretty. And then we have a Russian spiral bracelet, and it's also very nice. I like that. All right, so let's take a look. First we have these 2 here. Okay, oh, they disappeared from view. All right, and I think this bag here contains all the materials to make the charity pendant. So let's take a look. And wow, these are so nice. Look at these 2 Rivolis. Yeah, this side. Isn't this color absolutely gorgeous? Oh, I have to open it up. All right, and this is called Siam AB. And they are 18 millimeters. Wow, look at this. They are super sparkly, and of course they are red, but they are also kind of blue. Very, very nice. Maybe I should do like this. And then we have also in here Potomac crystal teardrops in Garnet. Should we have a little look at them? There are the Garnet teardrops. Very nice, pretty. I don't know really where they're going in this pattern, but maybe we'll find out. All right, and then we have some the seed beads here in they are 11/0 Miyuki seed beads in Durcoat galvanized something. It's very pretty, like a copper color here. And I'm not going to open them because then we're going to lose everything. And then we have Iris duo beads in Aztec gold. These are like regular duos. All right. So this was the first pattern with materials, and the second one here is the Russian spiral. So I think, okay, this must be it. Let's see. Let's see what we got in the bag. All right, we have, this is Miyuki seed beads, Garnet lined ruby AB. These are 8/0. Nice. And then we have another bag of 8/0, and these are raspberry lined crystal, maybe. I don't know. These are very pretty, I think. Okay, and then we have 2 bags. No, here's another 8/0, and this is called Silver Lined Flame R something. These are really pretty. Maybe it's silver lined ruby. Perhaps. Look. These are actually very, very pretty. Okay, and then we have a bag of Miyuki 11/0, And this is dyed blush silver lined, maybe something, I don't know, because it didn't say. They are very nice. Very warm and soft. Almost like a little bit peachy, maybe. All right. There we go. So this is the materials that came with the patterns. So this is cool, I think. Okay, we're gonna move this way for a bit, and I sort this out later. Let's see. Oop, oop, oop. Okay, put them over here, and then we're gonna take a look at what else is inside the box. So first, the first bag here is these are stud earrings, 13 millimeter. There are 4 of these, and these are kind of cute. Look, it's a little flower, and from where is it here, you can hang your beads, whatever you want. They're very nice. What I don't like though is that they come without backing. You need something to make them not fall out of your ears. So that's a bad thing. All right, you can put them back in the bag like this. Okay, and then we have this is bead caps, super small. They are sorry, filigree bead caps, 4 millimeter, silver plated. All right, pack of 100. Well, I don't think so. Let's see. Oh, they are super small, and also kind of thin. They're very thin. I don't really like these. No. Anyway, it's a nice color, but they're super small. I like bigger ones. All right, can't have it all. Like that. And then we have, this is nice. This is 8-inch strand of Potomac pearls, bright white, and they are 4 millimeters. Bright white. Let's see. Oh, these are really nice. Very shiny, very kind of sparkle, but they are very nice. I think this is really good quality. And it was an 8-inch strand. So that's nice. Let's see if we can maybe roll it up a little bit. Okay, like that. We have the long strand there. And then we have something very interesting. This is pink stick or chip, 8 to 12 millimeter beads. Very nice. I think these are maybe not so much pink, but you know, like a little bit coral. Ah, God, why can't I open it? Oh, these are really nice. Look at this. Very cute. I like these a lot. Don't know what to do with them. Oh, but they are. Can you stay there? Very nice. And the color is absolutely gorgeous. It's like an orange color. Orangey coral pink color. Very nice. Very nice. All right, and then we have, let's save that. This is a little bag of 15 O's. And these are Miyuki, of course. It's the Duracoat opaque. What can that be? Fennel, maybe. I think this is a really nice color. Oh, sorry. See? I think it's really nice. You have to stay in the bag. Let's see. Here's something green too. These are disc duos. White teal luster. Tube of 50. I don't think so. These are 6 millimeters. They're really pretty. Look at the backs there. And they are very shiny and very, very nice. Like that. Oops, sorry. And then we have, what is this? This is Potomac Crystal Droplets. Crystal AB something. Let's see, we have to open it up. I can't see what it is. Yep. Okay, there are 2 holes in them. One up here and one, oops, down there. Maybe if I do like this, maybe you can see. And there are 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 6 of these. It has like a silver color backing, and it's actually kind of cute. So put them here, and then we have, let's see, what is this? These are Potomac Crystal Bicones, Rose AB, and 6 millimeters. I actually like 6 millimeter Bicones more than 4, actually. Oh, these are nice. Very, very shiny and sparkly. And I guess you can say they are of a very good quality too. Rose, I would call this light pink. But cute, nevertheless. Let's see. Put them back in the bag here, so that they don't roll away. Okay, like that. Sorry. And then we have, what do we have? Oh, this was something super sparkly too. Potomac Crystal Triangle Light Rose, 18 millimeters. We have to take it out of the bag. Oh, these are so gorgeous. All the sparkliness and everything. Wow, these are absolutely gorgeous. I hope they come through in the camera, because this is something amazing. Oh, I love these. I have never made anything with these triangles, but yeah, have to try to come up with something, right? Oh, all right, put it there. And then we have, oh, a little green one. I missed this before. These are also crystal Bicones in Pacific Opal, and they are 3 millimeters. I always like these opal kind of beads or color, because they are so fantastic. See, I like the blue ones too. But these are nice, very pretty. All right. Sorry. And then we have, what is this? These are maple leaves in matte lavender. Cool. They are 13 by 11. We have to take them out too. Oh, these are really, really nice. They are like an opaque lavender with gold wash. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 of them. Aren't they nice? And the whole goes through from top to bottom. So they're not side drilled. These are really nice. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And then we have another little bag here with crystal round beads. This is Garnet, and these are 2 millimeters. I'm not so sure I'm going to take this out of their bag, because we might lose them. Oh, see? It's nice. They're very small. Very small, but very, very pretty. Okay, like that. And then the final little bag. No, it wasn't the final one. Here's something else. These are a cup button. Oh, this is so pretty. Wait until I take it out. Oh, okay. we have to look at one, but there were two, like this, and it's called a cup button, etched slippered full, and then it says SB. I don't know what that means, but this is so gorgeous. It's a little bit rough with it's like gold, bronze, red, and yellow inside, and on the other side it's more purple and orange and gold. It's so gorgeous, really, really nice. Okay, and the other one flew away, but we will rescue him later. And now we have the final little baggie. And in here we find Storm Duos, Crystal Amber Full. Of course, we have to take a look at them. Of course. Storm Duos. I haven't really made anything with these either, so I have to give it a shot. These are nice. They're more silvery, I think, than amber, but well. Oh, sorry. Cool. See? I think these are nice. Very pretty. Where can I put them? Maybe here. So I think this collection is very well thought out. Very muted colors. And it's spring colors, of course. And they're really pretty. I just wish we could have more because it's so nice. This one I really, really liked. And I liked this little strand of chip beads too. And I actually like these. Not actually. I did like these fennel colored 15s. These are really pretty. All right. So this was all that was in the box. In the February box. No, it was not. Take a look at this. They also put a thread cutter inside. Let's see. Oh, I almost forgot. Okay. Oh. Okay. So you just snip, snip, snip. This is cool because sometimes when you cut it with the scissor, at least my scissors, it's not that sharp. So it gets to be like tangled and puffy and tufty on the front, on the thread. So this is cool. Thank you. This is very nice. I like it when they put other things inside, and I also liked it. They had this a while back where you could make like a thing that let's see if I can find it. No, I could not find it right now. Like something that you put on a measuring tape, or you could have it's like a cover for a measuring tape. Very nice. And another time we had was like a little wooden tube that you could stitch around, also to make a cover. And I think that is really nice. It's nice with the pattern, jewelry patterns too, but it's fun to make something different. So this is super nice. And I really appreciate this month's box. These are cool too. The disc duos, very cool color. Yeah, so okay, this was it for February. I know it's March now, but the boxes come in late because of world situation. All right, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll be back in March with the March box. Okay, take care of yourselves. Bye.